Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'll be talking and showing how to make Uzbek Palov. Palov can be referred as pilaf or plov, and it is a traditional food of Uzbekistan. Plov to Uzbeks is like pasta to Italians, and Palov is often served at large gatherings such as weddings, holiday parties, or birthdays. There are three main types of Uzbek Palov. One is called wedding Palov, and as the name says, it is usually served at the weddings and then made at least 100 kg or more. Next type is called Chahana Palov. It is a type of palov only cooked at the place called Chahana. Chahana is a place people go to eat palov. And the last type is home cooked palov. People usually cook it at home, and it is really common and people usually cook at their houses. So today I'll be showing how to make home cooked palov. To make our palov, we need 600 grams of carrot, and it cut in rectangular shape, and 300 grams of onions cut in a medium thickness, and 600 grams of meat. Originally, palovs are made with lamb or beef, but here in Malaysia it is not easy to find a good type of lamb or beef. That's why we will be making with chicken. So it is the chicken palov. However, wedding palov and Chahana palov is never made with chicken. It is always made with lamb. So, and then we need 600 grams of rice. Try to use basmati rice, because the other types of rice are not really suitable for palov. And we need oil, some spices, and garlic to make it beautiful. So first of all, we heat our pot, if possible, then no, our pan. And then we put our onions and then fry until they turn into golden brown. Then we put our meat, and then we put our carrot. Here we are using chicken, so it does not usually take a long time. So after putting the chicken, we can directly put our carrots. And then we cook our carrots until they change their shape until they get soft. And then we put water. The water should cover all the ingredients, and then we boil around 40 minutes. Here we are using chicken, so we can reduce the time. We can cook 20 to 30 minutes. And then, meanwhile, we have to put our rice into the hot water with some salt. This makes our rice to cook easier, and then it helps us to avoid from the rice to get it sticky. So, and then we put our rice, and then we put water again. The water should cover the rice, and we cook some time until the rice is cooked. Until that time, the water will be absorbed. We wait some time if the water is not fully absorbed to get it fully absorbed. After that, we turn off the heat. Until that process, we cook our palov with the maximum heat, and then we cover our pot in a style that the heat inside should not go out. After 20 minutes of steaming inside, our palov will be ready, and then it is ready to serve. Here is our palov. By the way, do not forget to make salad. So salad goes well with palov. Now it is time to eat with friends. Let's go.